we know that to make it a perfect cube number, or sorry, it is a perfect cube number or not, the factors are occur in triplet form. So, here in the board, on the board we can say that 2 and 3 are the factors of 216. So, the factors 2, the factor 2 can form a triplet. Triplet means product of 3 2s, and 3 3s also can make a triplet. So, 216 is a perfect cube number because the factors are in triplet form. So, got it, students? Any problem? Any problem? Yes, it is a perfect cube number. Okay. Next question. Next question. 128. 128 is a perfect cube number or not? 128 is perfect cube number or not? Okay. So, do the prime factorization at 264, 232, 216, 2, 8, 2, 4 and 2, 2. So, 128 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, product of 7 2s. Product of 7 2s. So, now make triplet of with the factors, one triplet there, another triplet, but 1 2 is extra there, and that 2 cannot form the triplet form, cannot form a triplet. So, it is not a perfect cube number. It is not a perfect cube number. Why? Because that 2 is an extra. Extra means that 2 cannot form a triplet. That is why 128 is not a perfect cube number. Now, moving on the next question. Moving on the next question, that is 1000, 2 500, 2 250, 2 125, 5 25, 5 5. Okay, so 1000 equal to product of 3 2s and product of 3 5. So, that 3 to make a triplet and 5 also can make another triplet. So, product factors 2 and 5 can make the triplet. So, it is a perfect cube number. It is a perfect cube number. Now, student, if you have any problem, ask me in the chat box. Student, if you have any problem, ask me in the chat box. Okay. Next question, that is 100. 100 is a perfect cube number or not? So, ask me in the chat box if you have any problem. That is 100. So, first step doing prime factorization, that is 2, 50, 2, 25, 5 and 5. So, 100 equal to 2 into 2, 5 into 5. Okay. So, factors 2 and 5 cannot form the triplet, each of them cannot form the triplet. There are 2 need 1 2 to make the triplet and 1 5 to make the triplet. So, 2 and 5 cannot form the triplet. So, 100 is not a perfect cube number. 100 is not a perfect cube number. Got it, students? Any problem? Any problem? No, sir, no problem. Okay. Sir, no problem. Sir, the problem you have given in the previous class. What, sir? Yes, that the MCQs are not from the book. Yes, MCQ are not from the book. Okay, I have given 5 or 6 some from myself. Okay. Next question. Four six six 46656. Is it a perfect cube number or not? Is it a perfect cube number or not? We have to clarify or verify. Okay. So first, prime factorization. Someone have answered yes. Okay, let us check it is a perfect cube or not. First of all, even number is unit digit is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Again it is divisible by 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 6, 4. Again divisible by 2, 2, 5, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 2. Now divisible by 2, 2 to the 4, 9, 2 to the 4, 9, and 1, 6, 1 and 6, 2, 2, 1, 4, 8, 2, 2 to the 4, 9. Turn off the video, Kinton Datto, turn off your camera. Yes, it is a perfect cube. Okay, 36 is the cube. So next, now 7 to 9, 3, 243. Again it is divisible by 3, 81, 81, and 81, that is also 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So many factors are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 twos are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So 3 threes are there. This one, and all the factors make the triplet themselves. All the factors make the triplet. Sir, like any problem? Like yes, this type of MCQ will have to come in the exam. Okay. So it is a perfect cube number. It is a perfect cube number. Okay, because all the factors can make triplet. All the factors can make the triplet. Next question, question number 2. The instruction of question number 2 is find the smallest number by which of them is following number must be multiplied to obtain the number 243. 243. Okay. So it is clear that 243 is not a perfect cube number. 243 is not a perfect cube number. We should multiply 3. We should multiply 3 to get to and then after multiplying that 3, the resultant will be a perfect cube number, and our task is what should we multiply with 243 to get the perfect cube number. So first of all, to solve this type of question, you need do the prime factorization first. Okay. So 243 can be divided by 3. So 243, that first 3 factors can make a triplet, but there are 2 3s are there. To make a triplet, 1 extra 3 is needed there. So you have to multiply 3 to make the triplet. So minimum number, the minimum number is 3 to make the 243 is a perfect cube number. Got it, students? To make the perfect 243 a perfect cube number, not perfect square number. I have other sometimes perfect square number. It is not perfect square number. It is perfect cube number. It should be multiplied by 3. Okay. The smallest number is 3. 3 is the answer of the question number 2, part 1. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Write your answer in the chat box. Write your give back chat box. 2 should be multiplied. Okay. Okay. Right. Next part. Part 2. 256. So 256 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 twos and 2. There is last 2 factors, not 3 factors. So make it a triplet, you need multiply a 2 here. That's why you should multiply an extra 2 to make it a perfect cube number. So 256 is not a perfect cube number. So make it a perfect cube number, you should multiply it 256 into 2, that is 512. We know that 512 cube root of 512, that is 8. Okay, 512 is a perfect cube number. Next, $72. What number should you 2 should be multiplied? Okay. So 72, do it prime factorization. So 2 factors of 2 factors of 2, that is 72 also, 3 factors can make a triplet, but 3 cannot make a triplet. So 3 should be multiplied there to make it a perfect cube number, to make it a triplet. So 72 is not a perfect cube number, and 3 should be multiplied with 72. 3 should be multiplied with 72 to get a perfect cube number. To get a perfect cube number with 72, you need to multiply 3. Got it, students? I hope your concept is clear regarding this type of sums. regarding this type of sums, 5 should be multiplied, 2, 4, okay. Oisi Maji, okay. Anyone else about the next sum? Osmita Kundu, don't write it down your message, your number, don't forward any others message, okay, okay. Jasmine Chaudhary, 5, okay, right answer beta. 5 should be multiplied there, okay, 2, 4, right answer. Next, let us take 5 or anything should be multiplied there. That is 675. So 3 can make the triplet form. These three can make the triplet form. To make the triplet of 5, you need 1 extra 5. So you need to multiply here 1 extra 5. After that, you can make the triplet. So with 675, you need to multiply 5 to make it a perfect cube number. The make it 5 is the smallest number by multiplying which 675 can form a perfect cube number. So answer of 2, 4 is 5, okay. And the fifth part of the question number 2, fifth part of the question number 2. Hundred, 2. Anyone have given answer? 10 is 10 should be multiplied with the answer. Okay, okay, okay. Good answer. Who have given the answer? Who have given the answers? He or she is right. Okay. So 250, 225, 5 and 5. So 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. So 2 cannot form the triplet, 5 cannot form the triplet because 2 2s are there, 2 5s are there. To make the triplet, you need 1 2 here and you need here 1 5. So the number 2 into 5, 10. Number 5, 10. 10 should be multiplied with the 1000. Sorry, 10 should be multiplied with the 100 to make it a perfect cube number. 10 should be multiplied with 100 to make a perfect cube number. Got it, students? So this is the last part of question number 2. Okay, any problem of question number 2? Any problem regarding the question number 2? Ask me in the chat box. If you have any problem, I will try to solve your doubt. No sir, no sir, okay. No sir, no problem, okay, very good. Anyone else? Give your feedback beta, quickly. 20 students are there. No sir, okay. Annoy, any problem Annoy? Give your feedback. No sir. Okay. No sir, okay. So thank you. No sir. So moving on. Next question. So that is not from the NCERT, that is from 3 and 9 should be divided. Okay. Now today I will solve just up to question number 2. Next day I will start from question number 3. Now some question from my side. Okay. Try to solve and try to answer it fast, as early as possible. Okay. Two to 5. 2 to 5 is it a perfect cube number? It is not. It is not. Then Someone has answered 15, but it is wrong. Okay, and which number should be multiplied with 225 to make it a perfect cube number? Yes, it is a perfect square number, not perfect cube number. Okay, so which number should be multiplied with 225 to make a perfect cube number? Answer it quickly. Multiply, which number should be multiplied with 225 to make a perfect cube? Five. It is 5 or 15. Okay, 5 and 3. Okay, so let us check which number should be multiplied here. Let us check which number should be multiplied here. 2 to 5. First of all, 5, 45, 5, 9, 3, 3. So 2 to 5 means 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 1 5 should be product with 5 and 1 3 should be multiplied with 3 to make the triplet. So 5 into 3, 15 should be multiplied. 15 should be multiplied with 2 to 5 to get a perfect cube number. Next question. Okay, those who are given right answer, congratulations from my side. Okay, now next question, and it is also the last question of the class. (121) is it a perfect cube number? If it is not a perfect cube number, which number should be multiplied with 121 to get a perfect cube number? Who will answer first? Someone has answered 11. Okay, 11. Okay. That is Onnoy Laha. Yes, Onnoy. Thank you, beta. Onnoy Laha has given the first right answer. 11. We know that 121 is the square of 11. So if I factorize it, we get 11 and 11. So 121 equal to 11 into 11. To make it a perfect cube number, we need another 11. So if I multiply 11 with 121, will get a perfect cube number. That is, I think without multiplication, I am guessing the number 1331. I think 1331 is the perfect cube number. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Okay, students, and homework is given in your e-portal. Try to solve everyone. Almost 19 students are present here. Okay, try to solve that homework in e-portal. Thank you.